Hey, welcome back, Super Stock Bros. Today I have two stocks that might be in the ARKX ETF. And through this research, you may want to add them to your watch list or even add them to your portfolio this week. Stay tuned for the video. Okay, Stock Bros. So I found two stocks that I believe ARKX, which is the Cathie Wood ARK Invest ETF that's coming out that includes space and off-Earth mobile devices or other companies that work off the Earth. So for some clues, I went to an existing ETF that actually has a couple of companies in their holdings. Procure Space ETF UFO. You may want to look into this one for some research. This is how I found some of the stocks. They have a large list here, top 10 holdings, which weigh 56% of the ETF, the exchange traded fund, if you don't know what an ETF is. So it's a basket of companies that are held by this investment vehicle. So there's Laurel Space. I did a video on this back when they first came out with ARKX, saying that this ETF may come out soon. So today we're going to focus on two stocks to add to your watch list, or maybe even invest. I actually will create another video if I do jump into these stocks. So first one, Gilat Satellite Networks. Gilat Satellite Networks. Here we go. As you can see, it's had quite the tumble like every other stock this past month, with a high of or a peak of $21, falling all the way back down to 10. You lost 50% of your investment there if you purchased at the peak, but is actually ripe for purchase right around this $10 level. And I suspect it will be part of the ARK Invest, our ARKX ETF. ARK may include Gilat Satellite Networks into their ARKX because it's already included in one of their existing ETFs. So they usually do like to include companies that they've already invested in. So, for example, Tesla's in pretty much all their ETFs already. That's why Tesla has such a large weighting. And it's kind of like the flagship company people know ARKX or ARK for. So Gilat Satellite Networks, together with subsidiaries, provides satellite-based broadband communication solutions servicing Latin America, Asia, North America, Europe, and the Middle East and Africa. So it operates through three segments: fixed networks, mobility solutions, terrestrial infrastructure projects. The company designs and manufactures ground-based satellite communication equipment and provides solutions and end-to-end services. There's a lot to read about this company. It's actually based in Israel, headquartered in Israel, but works around the world. So you may want to add that to your watch list. Next one, we have Maxar Technologies. This is a huge company. It also was the peak of, let's see here, 52-week high. We got what? $58.75, and sitting now at $37.60 with a market cap of $2.69 billion. This is a company that I see ARKX adding to their basket in their ETF. So what is Maxar Technologies exactly? Well, Maxar Technologies provides Earth intelligence and space infrastructure solutions in the US, Asia, South America, Europe, and the Middle East, Australia, Canada, and internationally. That's what their description here says on Yahoo Finance. So it operates Earth intelligence and space infrastructure segments. The Earth intelligence segment offers Earth imagery products, including ortho-rectified imagery-based 3D and elevation mapping and information projects, and SecureWatch. So it seems to have some sort of subscription offering that provides online access to imagery and geospatial intelligence platform. So this one was founded in 1969 and headquartered in Westminster, Colorado. This one is, through my research, highly suspect to be included into the ARKX ETF. All right, Stock Bros. So there you have it. Two ARKX companies that I believe will be included, or candidates to be included. I'll let you know if I add to my portfolio, and let me know if you like this video. Like, subscribe, and share like usual. Peace out, Stock Bros. Enjoy your week.